Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can download Perplexity Comet browser. This browser is useful because it's optimized for AI tools like Perplexity with faster query responses and integrated AI features. Make sure that you download the correct version for your OS. So yeah, let's go. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the official Perplexity AI./Comet. So once you're here, what you will have to do is select your OS. So just go ahead and click download Comet. So you will basically just have to wait for it to load. And as you can see, it has already been downloaded. So it means that it is compatible for my OS. However, if you have other options here, then you can just choose the option that is most compatible for your device or for your OS. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And after you've downloaded the installer, what you will have to do is you will just run the installer. So you will just have to double click it, or yeah, you will just have to click it, and then you will and after you've already installed it, you will open your Comet, and then you will log in with your Perplexity account, and then you can just explore your built-in AI features. And Comet comes with AI search bar, DeepSeek integration, quick access to your saved threads, and all that stuff. So you just gotta explore everything so that you will be able to actually maximize all of the Perplexity features. And yeah, that's basically just it. And this is by the way optional, but you can set Comet as your default. So you will just have to go to your settings and then go to default browser and then choose Comet. And yeah, that's how you can download and set up your Perplexity Comet browser. And it's really smooth, and so it's really a smooth experience for AI users. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.